Imagine discovering a machine so advanced that it seems impossible for its time, not built in the 21st century, not even during the Industrial Revolution, but over 2,000 years ago. Now imagine finding perfectly cut stone blocks weighing hundreds of tons fitted together so precisely that even a modern razor blade cannot easily slip between some joints, or ancient artifacts that continue to challenge engineers, historians, and scientists. Were these civilizations far more advanced than we once believed? Or are we only beginning to understand the incredible ingenuity of our ancestors? Today, we're exploring ancient technologies that seem centuries or even millennia ahead of their time. Some are fully explained by archaeology, others remain the subject of active debate, and a few continue to raise fascinating questions that researchers are still trying to answer. Throughout history, every generation has believed it stood at the peak of human innovation. But every so often, archaeologists uncover something that forces us to rethink what ancient people were capable of. From precision engineering to complex astronomical calculations, civilizations across the world created remarkable achievements without electricity, computers, or modern machinery. Many popular internet stories exaggerate these discoveries, claiming evidence of lost super civilizations or even extraterrestrial intervention. But the real story is often even more impressive. These ancient builders solved enormous engineering challenges using observation, mathematics, experimentation, and generations of accumulated knowledge. Today, we'll separate scientific evidence from myth as we examine some of history's most extraordinary technologies. Let's begin with one of the greatest archaeological discoveries ever made. In 1901, sponge divers searching the seafloor near a small Greek island stumbled upon the remains of an ancient shipwreck. At first, archaeologists believed they had recovered little more than broken statues, pottery, and corroded bronze fragments. Then one small object changed history. Hidden beneath centuries of corrosion was a collection of bronze gears, unlike anything ever found from the ancient world. At first glance, it appeared to be little more than a lump of green metal, but as researchers carefully cleaned and scanned the object, an astonishing truth emerged. Inside were dozens of precisely crafted bronze gears working together in an incredibly complex mechanical system. The device, now known as the Antikythera Mechanism, dates to roughly the 2nd century BCE. For decades, scientists struggled to understand its purpose. Only with modern X ray imaging and advanced computer analysis did its true sophistication become clear. The mechanism could predict the movements of the sun and moon. It tracked lunar phases, it calculated eclipses, it followed ancient astronomical cycles with remarkable precision. Some researchers even describe it as the world's first known analog computer. Think about that for a moment. Over 2,000 years before electronic computers, skilled craftsmen created a portable mechanical device capable of performing advanced astronomical calculations using nothing but carefully engineered bronze gears. Its creators understood gear ratios with extraordinary precision. Each gear had to be cut accurately enough for the higher system to function smoothly. One tiny error could throw every calculation off. The question naturally arises, how could people living over 2,000 years ago design something so sophisticated? The answer may be less mysterious than it first appears. Ancient Greek scholars had already developed advanced mathematics, geometry, and astronomy. Inventors like Archimedes demonstrated remarkable mechanical creativity. The Antikythera mechanism appears to represent the peak of a long tradition of scientific knowledge rather than an isolated miracle. Still, one mystery remains. No other surviving device quite like it has ever been discovered. Was it unique, or were many similar machines simply lost to history? The oceans, wars, fires, and the passage of time have destroyed countless artifacts. Perhaps this extraordinary instrument was once only one example of a much larger technological tradition. If that's true, history may have forgotten far more than we realize, and this incredible machine is only the beginning because our next discovery challenges everything we think we know about ancient engineering